Welcome to Seacrest! Ang pinakabago, pinaka-affordable, at pinakamadaling business na pwede mo gawin this 2024. A new model for hope and opportunity where success meets purpose. Started on May 2024, located in the most historical province of the Philippines, Cebu. Seacrest is looking for more affiliates na gusto kumita kahit nasa bahay lang. A unique line of seaweed products focused in health, wellness, and beauty. A user-friendly online back office to make the business easy to use. Drop shipping service to cater members' product delivery. And the hybrid compensation plan of subscription and multi-level marketing. Seacrest is your key to your new journey to success. Ang kailangan mo lang ay mag-avail ng entry package for as low as 2,498 pesos. After paying your entry, monthly subscription na lang ang babayaran mo for only 498 pesos per month. May kasama ng Seacrest products ito. As an affiliate of Seacrest, bibigyan ka namin ng tools, system, trainings, videos na pwede mo gamitin para mas mabilis ka kumita compared sa other affiliation in the market. Pwede ka na kumita kay Seacrest daily, weekly, or monthly with no obligation to sell nor recruit. Basta nakasubscribe ka lang. Kung gusto mo magbenta, this is your daily income with no quota and no minimum purchase with dropshipping service. You can get up to 76% savings sa mga products ni Seacrest versus branded products. At every end of month, may makukuha ka pang product rebates up to 19% sa mga purchases mo. May 30 days money-back guarantee pa kung hindi magustuhan ng product. Just have it returned for inspection. Ganun ka-confident ang company natin. You can share the benefits ng Seacrest affiliate to your friends, family, co-workers, kapitbahay, o kahit sinong kakilala mo. At kapag nagustuhan nila maging affiliate to enjoy the discounts and benefits, may matatanggap ka na 30% fast start commission from every successful affiliation. Kaya sa tuwing makakuha ka ng sign-up package for 2,498 pesos, meron ka agad 750 pesos commission. At papasok ito the following week sa preferred payout account mo. Unlimited ito. No pairing, no waiting, no flush out. Basta may activation ka, get mo na ang 30% mo. At may commission ka din sa bawat activation ng mga direct affiliates mo depending on your rank up to your 10th level. Exciting, di ba? At dahil subscription business si Seacrest, may subscription bonus ka pa na 2.5% sa binabayad na monthly subscriptions ng mga nasa community mo up to your 15th level depending on your rank. Kaya kahit mga user o hindi mo kakilala, may kita ka. Basta nasa level mo. Let's make it simple. Kumuha ka lang ng 2 affiliates. Turuan mo lang sila na kumuha din ng 2. At yun, 2 nila, kukuha din ng 2. At ng 2 pa. At ng 2 pa. And so on hanggang 11th level mo. Alam mo ba na kahit maliit lang ang 2.5% na yan, kung madami na ang affiliates sa level mo, pwede ka kumita ng malaki dito monthly without inviting na. Yes, you heard me right. We have a very simple yet effective strategy that we can share to you para magawa mo ito. Ganito ka-powerful ang subscription business. But wait, there's more. Sa bawat direct affiliates mo, meron ka pang 50% monthly matching bonus. Sa matching bonus, ma-match ni Seacrest ang income ng direct affiliate mo sa 50%. At yun ang mapupunta sa'yo. Yes, sa'yo. Kaya kung may 10 kang direct affiliates na kumikita kahit 10,000 pesos per month sa monthly subscriptions nila, may 5,000 each ka sa kanila. That's 50,000 pesos on top of your own monthly subscription bonus. Grabe! Pioneering stage! Affordable, simple, and powerful ways to earn. Nabitin ka ba? Basic introduction pa lang ito ni Secret.